Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the 2xko error RGIOP-99005 on PS5.
Fix 1. Check 2xko server status. Step 1. Open a browser on your phone/PC. Step 2. Check official 2xko or PlayStation server status pages. Step 3. If servers are down, wait and try again later. Fix 2. Restart your PS5. Step 1. Press the PS button. Step 2. Select power, restart PS5. Step 3. Launch 2xko again. Fix 3. Test your internet connection. Step 1. Go to Settings, Network Settings. Step 2. Select Test Internet Connection. Step 3. Make sure NAT type is 1 or 2. Fix 4. Switch network. Wi-Fi/mobile hotspot. Step 1. Disconnect current internet. Step 2. Connect to another Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Step 3. Open 2xko and check.